Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying your phone supports Esim and has the latest carrier profile. This avoids activation failures. Once done, sign into your Rakuten account and pick the Esim conversion option. You'll need your device IMEI, current SIM number, and ID for verification, so gather those first. Make sure the physical SIM remains active during the request. Rakuten uses it to validate the swap. Initiate the transfer in the app or request a QR code via email. This begins the conversion process. You'll now install the Esim using the QR or activation code Rakuten sent. Scanning is fastest. On iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR. On Android, open Network and Internet Mobile Network Add Carrier, then scan or enter the code. Once the Esim profile downloads, assign it as primary or secondary per your preference and enable data and voice. If prompted, set the Esim line for SMS and data. This step finalizes routing so calls and internet work. You finish by testing calls, SMS, and mobile data on the Esim. Only remove the physical SIM after everything works. If something fails, restart your phone and rescan the QR code. Make sure the IMEI matches your account and retry activation steps. Also check that carrier settings updated. Sometimes a manual carrier update is needed. If problems persist, contact Rakuten support with the IMEI, the activation code, and exact error messages or timestamps so they can troubleshoot and complete the transfer for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.